waxaan soo dhaweynayaa wasiirka wasaaradda arrimaha dibadda iyo xidhiidhka caalamiga Dr. Ciise Kayd oo inagala hadli doona mawduuca ku saabsan maalgashiga caalamiga iyo sida Somaliland uu keeni karo horumar dhaqaale. Wasiir soo dhaw.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dhammaan waxaan marka ugu horeysa halkan hambaliyo iyo bogaadin aan uga dirayaa ardayda ku qalin-jebisay maanta Jaamacada ADMAS. waxaan hambaliyo u dirayaa madaxda dawladda iyo kuwa shacabkaba ah. waxaan si gaar ah iyagana hambaliyo u dirayaa congratulations la waalidka ku soo tabcay ee u suurtageliyay maanta inaynu halkan joogno. aad iyo aad baad u mahadsantihiin mudane madaxweyne iyo wasiirada dawladda kabineetka. aad baad u mahadsantihiin. aad baan idin soo dhaweynayaa. dhammaan qof walba waxaan ku soo dhaweynayaa baan ku salaamayaa maskabkiisa iyo magaciisa. And also I'd like to thank the president and the vice president of ADMAS from Ethiopia. Thank you very much to making this possible today. Since your language of medium is English, I would like to address my speech in English. And honorary guests and graduates, I'd like to first thank Adams University for inviting me to attend this Momentum Day. It gives me great pleasure to celebrate with you on the anniversary of the 15th batch of university graduates. I'm here today to celebrate the future of Somaliland with you. You signify the bright and the best future ahead for our country and our people. When we talk about how Somaliland get to where we are today, without international recognition, is a result of foreign affairs, which plays a crucial role in driving foreign investment into Somaliland's economic growth. Somaliland has made significant improvement in recent years, and foreign investment is to thank for this development. It has transformed the nation's economy, creating jobs, fostering innovation, and driving progress with projects such as DP World investment of more than $400 million in Berbera Port. Foreign investment brings many benefits to our country, and Somaliland is, of course, no exception to that. Foreign investment injects much-needed capital to the economy. When foreign investors bring their resource to our country, it provides our government the necessary funds to develop infrastructures, build industries, and create employment opportunities. This capital stimulates economic growth, improving the living standards for our people. It brings in new technologies and expertise. By integrating these new technologies into various sectors, such as agriculture, manufacturing, and telecommunication, Somaliland can enhance its competitive advantage to the African market and beyond. Moreover, foreign investment promotes job creation. As new industries are established, they require a skilled workforce to function effectively. This will reduce the unemployment rate because when people have jobs, they have the ability to create better futures for their family and children. Foreign investment also encourages trade and international partnerships. When international companies invest in Somaliland, They invest and establish trade links between their home countries and Somaliland. As a country, is a net importer that this opens up new markets, expand export opportunities, and increase foreign earnings for us. It also fosters diplomatic relations and enhance Somaliland's standing in the global arena. Furthermore, foreign investments promotes infrastructure development. Investors often require reliable infrastructure, such as transportation, networks, telecommunication systems, and energy facilities to operate efficiently. As a result, the government and private sector can collaborate to improve infrastructures, benefiting not only the investors, but also the people of Somaliland. Enhanced infrastructure facilities, trade, reduce production costs, and attract further investment, creating a good cycle of economic growth. Lastly, foreign investments encourage diversification of the economy. Over-reliance on a single sector, such as agriculture and livestock, and can expose our country to vulnerabilities, especially when it comes to droughts and climate change that have adverse effects on Somaliland the last 10 years. Foreign investments bring in new industries and encourage diversification, reducing our country's dependence on a single sector. This diversification enhances economic resilience, reduces risks, and ensures sustainability for growth for the long term. In conclusion, foreign investment is undeniably the biggest driver of Somaliland's economic growth. It brings in capital, technology, expertise, and job opportunities, while promoting trade, infrastructure development, and economic diversification. It gives Somaliland a path to development regardless of its lack of international recognition. Although crucial to its future development, but now foreign direct investment holds a huge opportunity for Somaliland to progress as a country and as a gateway to doing business in Africa. Thank you very much.